That's where I've actually parked my car. All right, we're all packed. Let's go. It's been a while that my car didn't stretch her legs. I'm letting her do it. Going through this highway madness, everyone is driving so fast. I'm trying to keep up with them. Hello my dear friends, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Vish and you're watching Vish the Weekender. So today is 6th of November 2020 and the time is 2 p.m. So we are on the way to go on a camp. So I have spotted a couple of places on Google Maps. The road looks okay to reach those spots, but I'm not sure how good the roads are. But we will definitely see how it is going to turn out. But the spots are really nice. The crazy traffic. Yeah. Okay, I've come 20 kilometers from my home and still battling in this traffic just to get out of it. So when the signal light about to turn orange, that's when we decide to, even go faster. When it is red, you go carefully, slowly, you'll see left and right, and you would still cross the signal light. When it is green, oh my goodness, don't ask me. The moment it is green, start honking your horns like crazy. Okay, finally onto the highway. So right now I'm on National Highway 44. I'll be traveling on this highway for about 90 kilometers. So the time right now is 3 p.m. and I'm on Bangalore National Highway 44. Just cruising through these trucks. Okay, traveled about 60 kilometers, still cruising on the highway. So the total distance I'm going to travel today is like 140 kilometers. So looks like I'm almost halfway through. Okay, we are now approaching a toll gate. I see a huge crowd. One side. Okay. So that's the only toll gate I'll see in this route. Okay, we have reached Mehboob Nagar and I am about 40 kilometers away from my destination. It's already getting dark now, so I'm trying to drive as quickly as possible, not a rash drive. Alright, so I've crossed Mehboob Nagar and I still need to travel about 25 kilometers to reach my destination. Okay, all of a sudden I see hills right around me, everywhere. And I'd say, I like that. Alright everyone, I found this place right next to this small lake, which is a tributary to the Koil Sagar lake. That's where I've actually parked my car. It's quite elevated from the lake bed. This is the lake bed, okay, and I'm at a quite elevated spot. Let me take you guys closer to the lake once. Okay, this is the lake. I think the Koil Sagar is right there in quite a distance. Let me zoom in. Yeah, so that's actually Koil Sagar. Looks like the recent rains have filled it up to its capacity. Alright my dear friends, so I have parked for the night today. So I am about to have my dinner. So I brought food from home since I did not have time to cook today, so I had to bring food from home, and I have set up my table just like that. Okay, so I already prepared my bed. Let me turn on the flashlight. Okay, so this is going to be my bed for tonight. Okay, so I'm going to sleep in here. I just need to prepare my bed a bit. Alright guys, so let me quickly give you a look around of the mosquito net and the shade which I made the other day. Okay, here's the other one. On the rear one. I have put on the Reflectix. I hope you can see it. Alright friends, so I think the shades are really working well. They are doing their job absolutely fantastic. When I touch this metal, it's ice cold. It's very cold outside and I'm sweating inside. So I think this the shades has really worked out. So it was a win I'm going to bed. So I'll see you guys in the morning.